In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text into two columns in Google Slides. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly create a professional looking slide with neatly organized columns perfect for any presentation. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. If you haven't got it open already, make your way to the Google Slides homepage by entering the URL in your browser or searching for it online. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Use your Google account to log in. This is crucial as it will give you full access to create and edit presentations. Upon signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start from scratch or pick a template that suits your needs. For this tutorial, let's use a blank presentation, but feel free to select any template you like. Just click on blank presentation. Once your new presentation has opened up, you're now ready to insert text boxes that will make up your two columns. Look for the top menu bar and click on insert. From the drop down menu, select text box. Now you'll create two text boxes. Click anywhere on your slide to insert that first text box. Do the same thing a second time to create another text box that will serve as your second column. Take a moment to position these text boxes side by side, adjusting their sizes as needed to fit on your slide. This will mimic the appearance of two columns, streamlining the text organization on your presentation. With your two text boxes in place, it's time to populate them with text. Simply click within each text box and begin typing. You can copy and paste text if you have pre-prepared content elsewhere. As you're adding your text, take advantage of Google Slides formatting tools to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your presentation's aesthetic. Now, a quick tip: if you want to ensure your columns are perfectly aligned, use the alignment guides that appear when positioning your text boxes. These guides help keep everything neat and visually appealing. Also, consider using bullet points or numbering for clearer details within each column. And there you have it, you've successfully split text into two columns in Google Slides, creating a clean and organized layout for your information. This method can be a powerful tool in making your presentations more engaging and easier to follow. Feel free to add your personal touches, and remember, practice makes perfect. With each use, you'll become more adept at optimizing your slides for clarity and visual impact. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.